Good evening. I'm Tammy.
And I'm Chris.
And we're Midwest Journeys.
And we have a lot of new things coming up on this channel in the next year that we are really excited to share with you. So we wanted to put out this video to kind of go over those things and let you know where our channel is going. One of the things that you've probably noticed if you watched any of our recent videos is that we've recently upgraded our tow vehicle from our Subaru Outback to our Ford F-350. And so I'm sure most of you are aware that that is not a smart move if we are going to continue to tow the little tag trailer. So I think the cat's kind of out of the bag there. We are upgrading rigs here in the spring. We have an order in on a Outdoors RV 27 TRX toy hauler, which is right now scheduled to be built in March.
So we're hoping to have it by like May-ish.
Well, or even April.
Yeah, April-ish, May-ish. No later than May, maybe I should say that.
Yes, and we're really looking forward to that. And kind of the reasons behind that, we're wanting to travel more and do more extended stays and travel further distances. And some of the limiting factors with the tag, we don't have a bathroom, and it's kind of tight.
Well, and the older you get, your back doesn't like to sleep in small spaces like that, and it's hard to get in and out.
Yeah. So we have enjoyed our time with the tag,
yes,
but we're really looking forward to the new rig as well. With that being said, one of the reasons why we originally got the tag was we needed a rig that would actually fit in our garage. So that poses another problem as to what are we going to do with the new rig.
Right.
And so what we have done is we ended up purchasing a half acre down in central Missouri, which is just raw land, but we were building that up to put an RV site in, eventually put in a cabin as well as a garage down there, and kind of have built up our home base down there. Part of that as well is that, like I said, this is completely raw land, so we've been working with electric companies. We're getting ready to work on getting a well. There are several things to build up that raw land where it can be a viable home base for us.
Right.
So that's one part of next year as well, is we will be taking you along our journey on some of that so that you can see kind of what goes into taking a piece of raw land and making it into a livable area.
Yeah, because I don't think we've realized what all was involved. There's already way more than what we thought there was going to be. And we've been chopping down trees and pulling up weeds and all sorts of good stuff.
Yeah, we figured at this point, I think we thought we'd be a lot further along with that than what we are.
Right. Yeah, we did.
So we realized this is probably going to be a pretty short video. We just wanted to take this opportunity to let you all know where our journey's headed in the upcoming year and that we're so excited to share the adventure with you all. So if you haven't already, we greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. That way you can follow along with the adventures in the upcoming year. And this will probably be the last video that we record before the holidays. So we really want to thank everybody for all your support over the years. We wish you the best in the upcoming year and have a Merry Christmas.
I'm Tammy.
To a Ford F-350. What the hell was that?
Hi, I'm Tammy.
And I'm Chris.
That was a bad one.
Bleh. 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 Okay. Bleh. That was baby. So we realized this is probably going to be a pretty short video.
It's really going to be a really, really long one because we can't get the words right.
It's going to be a 3-minute video with 20 minutes of bloopers.
Catch you in the next one.